Hi, welcome back to A Little Bit of Everything. I'm Jen, and today we're going to be continuing barbecue sides. I'm going to show you a basic potato salad recipe. You can change it any way you like. This is just a very good starter piece. So, let's get started. We're going to start with 10 potatoes, boiled al dente. That means soft, but not too soft. We've got them boiled and diced. You can peel them if you like, but you don't have to. Personally, I like the peels in my potato salad. To that, we are going to add roughly a cup to a cup and a half of mayonnaise. Please get the good stuff, none of the Kraft, Hellmann's or Best Foods, whichever coast you're on, best mayonnaise. So, we've got our cup to our cup and a half of that. To that, we are going to add about a tablespoon or two of regular yellow mustard. There we go. Now we are also going to add 2 to 4 heaping tablespoons of sweet relish. 2, I'm actually going to say 3 for today. We'll taste it in a little bit and decide if I need a little bit more. Now, we've got 1 small onion diced. That goes in as well. 2 stalks of celery diced. That just gives you a beautiful, crunchy, yummy element. About 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. I put the stuff in everything, I'm sure you've realized. Salt and pepper to taste. Stop a little before you think you should. You can always add more. You can never take it out. There we go. Now we're going to mix this up until we get one whole consistent texture. You want all of the potatoes and all of your little veggies coated with your mayonnaise and your mustard. I can smell the relish and the mustard, and that mayonnaise is going to make it so nice and creamy. There we go. Now, if you're the type that likes hard-boiled eggs, this is where you would add them in. Just boil them hard, dice them up, mix them in. Personally, not a fan. We are looking really good. So, let's taste